Hello, I'm Rod Walton with DISTRIBUTECH. I'm here with Reza Alaghehband, who is Principal Engineer at Austin Energy. And he's also been about an 8-year member of our advisory committee with DISTRIBUTECH, very involved in the content planning end. We want to thank you for that, Reza, and thank you for being here. I was just curious, what are you kind of most interested in seeing here at DISTRIBUTECH this time around?
I'm very much interested in innovative technologies and the trend in the industry, and especially in the areas of artificial intelligence or machine learning or virtual reality.
Right.
Those are the really big pathways that everybody is working on.
Very good.
And so we are very much interested in that.
Yeah, and that was a big topic at our keynote today. But also you're involved in the content side of it throughout the week. Talk a little bit about the summit session that you're involved in.
Yes, the summit that I'm involved in is associated with the distribution automation, and the distribution automation session that I'm involved with is focused on deployment of FLISR, which is a fault location isolation service restoration, and state estimator and dispatcher power flow deployments. Those are the really the technologies that is being worked on as part of the smart grid, and they're very promising, and it's very critical to distribution automation.
Very good. And that's in the summits that are upstairs. You're also going to be involved in content on the floor with the knowledge hubs. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes. The knowledge hub that I'm involved with is focused on innovation, innovative technologies, and basically it is more focused on virtual reality and the use and use cases for the virtual reality, and there's quite a lot of effort that's being focused in this area, and it should be very exciting and interesting.
Good, good. Well, as if we don't work you hard enough, you're also involved in the breakfast roundtable.
Yes, I am.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, so I'm on Wednesday breakfast roundtable, and Thursday one I'm moderator for the machine learning and artificial intelligence roundtable, and on Thursday I'm involved with microgrids, and those are the very important technology areas that is being worked on heavily, and it's something that very much everybody is interested to know what's going on and how we can leverage those technologies in our operations.
Very true. That's what this is all about.
Right.
Thank you again for all the work you do. With Reza Alaghehband with Austin Energy and a member of the DISTRIBUTECH Advisory Committee. I'm Rod Walton. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.